Hey everyone, welcome back to Lori's Kitchen. Today we're making split pea soup in our Instant Pot. It's one of my family's favorite recipes. I normally make it on the stovetop, and I do have a stovetop recipe in my videos, and I'll put it in the card in the link above. But this one is in the Instant Pot, and it's so quick and easy. I made it in less than an hour, and it was just great. And you can even do it with a frozen ham bone if that's what you have. You can also make this recipe without meat and just make it with the vegetables, and it'll come out just fine. So let me show you what it looks like. Let's give it a taste and see how it is. I like mine thick. As you can see, mine is on the thick side. I like it more like a stew because I have lots of meat in it too. But if you don't like it so thick, just add a little extra chicken broth or a little bit extra water during the cooking process. It's so delicious. The sweetness from the peas plus the saltiness from the ham, it's just such a perfect combination. Did you want a bite? So come along with me and let's make split pea soup in the Instant Pot together.
Let's take a look at the ingredients needed to make this recipe. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium onion chopped, some salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme ground, 3 small bay leaves or 2 large bay leaves, 5 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots and 1 rib of celery chopped, 2 cups of water, 1 pound of green split peas, a ham bone with a little bit of meat left on it. It can be frozen or it can be thawed, and 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Let's begin. First, we're going to hit the saute button to warm up the Instant Pot. Once it's on, we're going to wait for it to turn to the display hot. At that time, we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt. We're going to add in our chopped onions and saute them just for about a minute or so. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to the onions. Now I'm going to add in my 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, my minced garlic, and my 3 small bay leaves, and give it a stir. Then I add in my chopped carrots and celery. Cook it for about a minute. To that I'm going to add first 1 cup of the 2 cups of water, give it a stir. Add in my split peas that have been rinsed and picked through. Add in the 2nd cup of water. Add my ham bone to the pot. Then I'm going to add in my 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. You'll see that you do not want to exceed the maximum fill line, and I'm being very careful of that. Now that all my ingredients are in the Instant Pot, it's time to put on my lid, secure it in the lock position, ensure the valve is set to sealing, not venting. We're going to press cancel, pressure cook. We're going to cook this for 15 minutes on high pressure. Once the 15 minutes have elapsed, it's going to be on a natural pressure release for another 15 minutes. Once you see the display say L015, that means natural pressure release for 15 minutes, I'm going to push the valve to venting. Once the pin drops, you'll know it's safe to open the Instant Pot. And you can see my soup is bubbling away. The peas are nice and tender. The ham is ready to come off the bone. Looks great. So now I'm going to use my tongs and carefully get out the ham bone from the Instant Pot. I don't want the meat to fall off. And then I'm going to put it into a bowl, let it cool, and then I'm going to take off all the meat from the bone. That will be added into the soup later. I'm going to hit cancel on my Instant Pot, turning it off. And I'm going to carefully remove the liner from the Instant Pot outer pan and put it on a trivet. As you can see, the soup has a nice consistency. If you like it like this with some vegetable chunks, you could almost stop here. You would take out the bay leaves and then add the chunks of ham back in the soup. I like mine smooth and pureed, and plus it thickens up the sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and use my blender to make it more like a puree. I'm going to repeat this until it's all done. To my pureed soup, I'm going to add in the chunks of ham from my ham bone. And there you have it, split pea soup with ham in the Instant Pot. Perfect for the winter time or cold, rainy weather. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give my video a thumbs up and comment down below. If you would like to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to be informed when my next weekly video is available. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.